How to change chart type on Binomo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to change your chart type on Binomo.com, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and then type in Binomo.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're logged into your Binomo.com account, and once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the chart type option at the bottom left inside this chart page, and you'll see the chart type feature on the left. Choose the chart type from the list from the available chart types. Most traders prefer the candlestick chart because it shows the opening, closing, highest and lowest price for each period. You can go ahead and select one of the chart types you want, and you'll be able to see the result on the right. And that's how you can easily change the chart type. You can see the chart type changed immediately after making the selection. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.